Alright, hey guys, it's Easiest here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom keyboard. So, what you want to do is you want to go to Settings. And once you're in Settings, you want to go down to Language and Input. Pretty sure. Yeah, when you click a keyboard, you can click theme. No, click theme, and then you can do any of these. Or any of these themes. You can even do like custom. Like, let's say I want to do this one. And I put next. Hold on, guys. But yeah, guys, this is the one that I like. You can do any of these. They got all these colors right here. Let's flip it. Alright, hold on, guys. Alright, here's the one. Sorry about that, guys, but yeah, guys, you can pick any of these colors, whatever color you want. And you can do like those spacers or whatever. I don't know if I like spacers. Maybe I probably add spacers. But anyway, once you do that, you can go to Google, probably look at my keyboard. Just type in YouTube, and it'll take me to YouTube. Okay, guys, if you ever go check out that video, playing with Minecraft PE with friends, and you guys want longer videos, so go check those out. But yeah, guys, that is how you get your thing, your keyboard. That's how you get your keyboard custom themes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, tell me in the comments below, and bye, guys.